Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Radhekshna. Ambarana padikire konde. First class. Very smooth, beautiful reading. Wonderful. Bhairanta Puradwarah Sarva Purvavadavritaha. Sarva Purvavat. Before Krishna was born, what was the case? All the dungeon doors were closed, all the chains were fastened, everything became that way after the child, this girl child, was brought back in. Sarvaha Purvavadavritaha. And the child started making noise. Children cry, you know. So she was crying because she wants to bring this Kamsa quickly. Tato baladhvanim shrutva grihapala samuttitaha. All these guards, they were supposed to be guarding. They woke up after hearing her cry. So they ran. Turna. They ran to where Kamsa was and told him, you know, you were waiting for this eighth child. Vignaha pratikshate. It has arrived. Please go. So he jumped out of his bed, Sathalpathe Turna Muttai, and ran. He was drunk and his hair was all disheveled. Mutta Murdajaka. Devaki knows why this person has come. So she is holding this child and she is begging the guy. Karunam Sati Brataram. It's her cousin brother only. Snusheyam Tava Kalyana Striyamma Hantumarhasi. Others were at least boys. This is a girl. In certain communities, certain cousins are allowed to marry. That is first preference. So the mother of this girl, no, she's saying, you are my brother, so this girl can become your daughter-in-law. Snusha means daughter-in-law. Snusha, Iyam. You have already killed so many people. Bahavo, Himsita. This particular girl's elder brothers, you have killed so many of them. This particular girl you should spare. Avaraja Dina. Please give me this one child. This looks like it is going to be my last child. So please give me this one child. Kripanasat. Dina Dinavati. The adjective for Devaki here is Dina Vat. As if. Not actually Dina Vat. Like she was Dina. Why? Because she already knows. Krishna has given darshana. He has told them, go bring that child. Nothing will happen to that child. Don't worry. So she is thinking, I have to protect this child. It's not my own. How can I sacrifice some other child? And another part of her mind is saying, oh, Krishna has said nothing is going to happen to the child. That means some new Leela is going to happen. So what is that Leela? So Dina Vat. Rudatya Dina Dinavati. But he has grabbed the child from her hands. Khala. Shukabrahmam is saying, what a cruel person. What a deplorable. Khala means deplorable person. क्या बेकार आदमी है ऐसा बोलता है ना हिंदी में तो क्या खला है he has grabbed this child hastat chitche he has grabbed this particular small newly born girl and he has grabbed the child by the feet charanayoho swasusutam sister's child is being so cruel. You know, he was going to kabhi Ganesh ji ka mandir mein they throw a coconut on a stone to break it, no? He was going to do that to this child. Shila prashthe apotayat. How can somebody do this? We can't even read the shloka without feeling so deeply hurt. How can somebody grab a newborn child by their feet and try to kill them? Swarthonmulita sauhridaha. Everybody has some kind of compassion, no? What has happened to Kamsa's compassion? Shukabrahmam is asking and he is saying, Swarthonmulita sauhrida. Not a small trace of that compassion was left because it was all cut. If there is a tree, you take the tree's roots and take the whole tree out and throw it away, then it has no chance of regrowing. Unmula, right from the roots, this compassion has been removed totally by Kamsa because of his swartha. Swartha. Swarthonmulita samhridaha. But blessing. What blessing? He has touched the feet of the goddess. Blessing. What happened? Nothing happened to the child. She just slipped out of his hand. Nobody can capture Maya. She slipped out of his hand and rose up into the sky. Satat hastat samutpatya sadyo devi ambaram gata. Ambaram gata. She went up into the sky. And not just looking like a child anymore, she has taken a divine form. 8 hands, each hand holding an amazing weapon. Sa ayudha ashta mahabhuja sayudha ashta mahabhuja divyasrak ambara lepa ratna varana bhushita danu shula ishu charma asi shanka chakra gadadhara. Beautiful garlands, beautiful clothes, beautiful ornaments, beautiful precious stone studded mekhala belts, all that she's wearing. 8 divine weapons, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Trishula, Dhanus. Ishu means arrow, arrows. Charma is shield, Asi is sword. With 8 hands, 8 divine weapons, beautifully shining, she has given him darshana. Not just her, the moment she has taken that form, immediately all around her, Siddha, Charana, Gandharva, Apsaraihi, Kinnara, Uragaihi, all these divine beings have suddenly appeared to worship this goddess. They have all brought all the things to worship. अरे हम लोग किधर बच्चा होएगा तो देखने को जाएगा तो भी हम लोग we take some things, no? We take some gifts, we take some sweets, we take some fruits. This Kamsa just came to kill. Stupid fellow. Khala. But all the divine beings have appeared to worship this goddess. They have all brought everything. Upa bali bihi. Bali here is all the things of worship. They have brought all the things required to worship. And they are offering the worship. Stuya mana. They are offering worship. The goddess is blessing them with her kataksha and not even looking directly at this Kamsa, but she is addressing him, talking to him. Idam abravit manda. Foolish fellow. Previously, the Asharira said Abudha. Now goddess is saying Manda. He's getting a lot of certificates. Kimmaya hataya Manda. You think you're going to do something to me? Nothing. The one who is going to end you. Tava antakriti. Yatrakova. Who knows where he is? He's not saying. Just like Sita Devi didn't say, no. When Hanuman was there, all the Rakshasis came and asked, who is this monkey? She said, I don't know. Only a snake will be able to figure out where the other snakes are hiding. I have no idea. Don't unnecessarily trouble innocent people. Mahimsihi. She disappeared from there and her sanidhyam showed up all over the world in so many temples, in so many archavataras, in so many names. Bahunama niketeshu Bahunama Bhabuvaha. This goddess became her Sanidhyam, spread out into so many places, and in all those places she is worshipped with many names, because that's what God had told her earlier. You remember, he said, go do all these things, and in so many places people will worship you. That has happened.